Today we are at New Evo Ari, one of the latest projects here in Ari. Now this is going to be one of the most impressive stays if you're looking to stay in the Brooklyn of Bangkok, in the Chiang Mai of Bangkok, Ari. Let's go ahead and give it a little tour. Right in front of the lobby, we have this communal space. This is known as the Alfresco yard. And overall, it just serves as a very community space, kind of to socialize and kind of know your neighbors. So I'm gonna walk you through the entire condo. Let's go ahead and start. We're gonna start here at the lobby. As you can see, we just have some really nice lounge areas. And this building is face scan or keycard access only, so it's very, very secure. All right, let's make our way up. All right, so we're on the 6th floor now, and they have some unbelievable amenities. Here we are, starting with the co-working lounge. Now this is actually a very, very big co-working lounge. As you can see, we just have a ton of different arrangements. Just a very, very homey vibe. And then over here, we have charging points. We have where you can set up your laptop. We have chess. Just a really comfortable co-working experience. So if you work from home, this is honestly going to be very, very comfortable. And coming over here, after you're done with your co-working session, you can hop in here, get your private Pilates done right here in this yoga fly and training studio room. Now this is state-of-the-art equipment right here. I have never done this in my life. I'm not even gonna try it, but wow, I mean, how fancy is this? How premium is this? Usually, amenities like a Pilates room is reserved for the ultra luxury condos. So for a mid-range condo like this is actually quite surprising to have a Pilates studio like this. So go ahead and show us how it works.
So we got the Cadillac right here. Have you ever tried this before?
No, I've never.
And right there we have reformer. You have to change the spring straight. Yeah.
Now, by the way, one thing nobody really talks about when it comes to living abroad in Thailand is insurance. Now, it's definitely not the most exciting topic, but it's important to know what your plan is in case something goes wrong. Like, for example, a motorbike accident, a surgery, a hospital stay, or even getting food poisoning. Because even though the private hospitals are genuinely excellent and world class, if you're uninsured or underinsured, you're gonna be paying a ton of money out of pocket, and it can come as a huge surprise if you're not expecting it. You see, a lot of expats assume that their home country coverage travels with them, but oftentimes it actually doesn't. Or they grab the cheapest insurance without actually reading what's included and then end up with a plan that's full of gaps that don't actually cover them when they need to make a claim. That's why I want to recommend Pacific Prime. They're an international health insurance broker that compares over 30 providers like AXA, Alliance, Pacific Cross, and they find the right plan for your specific situation and your lifestyle and factor in things like your age, your budget, your travel frequency, pre-existing conditions, etc. And on top of that, they have English-friendly speaking staff, so they can help you in case you're going to a Thai hospital and you need to speak with the doctors but you can't actually speak. They can help you with that regard as well. The quotes and the consultations are completely free as well, so you can scan this QR code right here on screen or head to the link in the description and you can get your free comparison today. Now back to the video. All right, so moving along. Now this is very, very interesting that they added this. This is a content creator's room right here. This is a whole podcast setup right here, so you can interview your guests. We have the white backdrop as well as a couple of studio lights. It's just like a really nice gesture, really interesting thing to add for the amenities. I've seen this one time at Park Origin, but this is not a common amenity, which is really unique that they had this. So yeah, if you're an aspiring content creator, you can check this out right here. And also if you're an aspiring content creator and you want to learn how to travel and actually make income online, then feel free to join my private community down in the description below. I'll send you an invite right there down in the link. Now moving on, we have our gym. Now this is not just a normal gym, it's the cardio and boxing corner as they call it. Over here we have a full body workout right here. You know, we could do the pull-ups. We got the weights going all the way to 47 kilograms. You know, nothing crazy, but it'll do the job. Got some cardio machines as well as over here. We got the free weights up to 20 kilograms. Got the treadmills. And then over here, if you're a Muay Thai fan or you're an MMA fan, this is pretty insane. They have a boxing sparring gym right here. So after you're done with your co-working session, you can book your private boxing lesson right here at your own condo. Pretty insane. All right, moving along. Over here we have our private meeting room. We have this marble table for 7. So if you want to have your private business meetings, it's going to go down right here. And you also have your TV you can project onto. Now, if you're a family man and you have kids, this is going to be a huge selling point for you. We have a dedicated kids playing area, as well as an opportunity for your kids to play with the other kids and socialize with the other kids in the building. Just a really nice touch, you know, really fun, playful design. You know, they could do their private math lessons right here and then just play with the free toys they have over here. Just a really, really thoughtful touch, to be honest. And then over here, now you're not gonna believe this. Of course, you can't go wrong. You have to have a private cinema. Man, something about these Bangkok luxury condos, they all have this amazing, amazing cinemas. And check this out. You can even lay down on here. Just, you know, you and your date, you don't have to go out, just enjoy some Netflix and chilling right here. I mean, I know like a lot of condos, they like to fake the materials, fake the quality, but this is really, really premium. I mean, this seat feels fantastic. It feels expensive. It doesn't feel like they took cheap corners and shortcuts. Even the high fidelity setup right here, the audio equipment, the acoustics in this room, these little small details that a lot of developers, they can kind of skip out and save money on, but I don't feel like they've done this here. You know, it's really, everything so far has felt like really, really quality. Now moving along, we have to show you the pool. Now check this out. To the left here is our jacuzzi slash swimming pool. This is 0.6 meters deep. And we have a couple sun lounge beds where you can just bathe in the sun. As well as over here, we have this kind of pavilion garden area where you can listen to your podcast in the morning, eat some breakfast, maybe do a little co-working as well. Let's see what else is over here. Now, as you guys know, if you're a regular viewer of my channel, these are always my first impressions. I've never been to these condos. This is my honest reaction live as it is with you currently watching. So right here, we have this calisthenics, not calisthenics, but over here we have the huge selling point.
I really like to do this one.
Really? What do you think about this condo so far?
It's good.
It's good? You want to move here?
Yeah, I would do this all day.
What? All right, we're not done yet. We're on the 34th floor. Let's check out some more facilities. All right, so over here we have the Cosmo bar. This is what they call it. You know, just host a little party, host a little get together. A really solid looking bar, actually. We just got a couple seating areas. And over here we have our own co-kitchen, so you can host your own events, get all your friends gathered. We have a fully decked out kitchen. We got the pizza oven, we got the microwave, we got the fridge. I mean, it's really, really fully decked. Got the whole kitchen. We have the induction stove right here. We have a wine cooler, as well as an espresso bar right here. We even have a dishwasher, which is super rare in Thailand, actually. So this is gonna be absolutely perfect if you're hosting your friends here. Now let's check out what over here is. We have this like sort of private like pavilion rooftop and a really nice view of the Pearl Tower right here. Well, just like a really nice, kind of like a hidden oasis kind of feeling. And we have another sink over here. Oh, we even have a grill, so you can cook some steaks right here. I mean, everything feels really, really high quality. Very, very nice. You know, just come out here, enjoy a couple drinks, do some meditation, and the view is actually pretty incredible. Like, we can see the whole skyline of Sukhumvit right now. Let me show you from my angle. Over there we have the Ramen 9 Hoi Kwang area, and then over there we have the Central World, the Chitlom area, as well as the rest of Sukhumvit. Wow. All right, let's keep making our way and seeing what else there is to offer. All right, now we are approaching the final amenities of this condo. Over here on the 42nd floor, we just have a little mini putt golfing area. As you can see, you know, pretty nice. That's pretty much it for this 42nd floor. Oh, it's burning hot. All right, we are on the 43rd floor. This is not really a floor, this is the rooftop. Not much is here, but I mean, you can just check out these amazing views. There's truly nothing else like the Bangkok skyline. What a blessing it is to live in Bangkok, man. Now finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. Welcome to the first bedroom. Now we are on the 4th floor. This is what's known as a 1-bed plus. So it's not a 2-bedroom, and it's not necessarily a 1-bedroom, it's a 1-bed plus. So as you can see, we're working with quite a limited space. This is a 35 square meter condo, so tour is not gonna take too long, but let's go ahead and begin. So we have the dining room section area right here. Every room comes with this dining table set. And then over here, we have this kind of split off kitchen area that really distinguishes between the dining and the kitchen with this kind of closing door right here. Over here we have the washing machine, we have 2 induction stove counters, we have your sink, and then actually quite a good bit of overhead storage for your cups, for your plates, and as well as more storage down here. So because these developers are working with such limited space, they are super conscious with every single area. We have to maximize every single space. All right, so moving along, we have the living room area. We've got the seating for 2, and we even have this private balcony. So moving along, we have our first bedroom. Now we got a nice, huge window, almost floor-to-ceiling window right here. We have a TV built in the wall. We have a queen-size bed. Honestly, it's not too bad. Like, they definitely utilized every single square inch in this room. We have the built-in closet. And then over here, have our restroom. You know, pretty standard restroom. I mean, honestly, it doesn't feel too cramped. You know, you have a good bit of walking space. It's not super cramped, super claustrophobic. So normally for a 35 square meter, that'd be the entire condo. But because this is a 1-bed plus unit, this is the additional bedroom they have. So this space can be used as, you know, perhaps a child's room or an office or a library. You can really utilize this space however you want. Now, I probably know what you're thinking, that this unit is extremely small, but it's priced at just around 6 million Thai baht. And because this is a developer direct sale, you're gonna get further discounts on that. And because I teamed up with Fulcrum Global on this project, you're gonna get even more discounts than that. So the public price is 6 million, but in reality, you can get much cheaper than this if you go directly through the link in my description. The link is gonna be a very quick form where you can connect directly with my agents, and you're gonna get the cheapest available price. You're not gonna be able to find this price available on any other sites, any other agents. You can only get it through the link in the description. And if you're an investor, you can expect anywhere around 25 to 28,000 bahts in rental income per month. And because Auri is such a rapidly growing neighborhood, you could probably expect the rent to continuously increase as well. All right, welcome to the next unit. This is a 30 square meter 1-bedroom unit. And the particularly interesting thing about Noble is what they've done is normally a 30 square condo would just be a studio, but this is actually a 1-bedroom. So as you can see over here, we have our closed off 1-bedroom area. I mean, it's very premium, very modern design. And then you can even say you have a walk-in closet. You know, how fancy is that to say you have a walk-in closet? Technically, this is a walk-in closet, right? You just have your shelves right here. You could probably display a couple of your bags. And then over here, we actually have the closet space, and we can actually, you know, it goes in pretty deep, you know. It goes in quite deep. So we just have a bunch of closet storage space right here, as well as your powder room area. And moving along, we have our restroom. Very similar to the previous one, a little bit smaller, but again, it's not too cramped, right? It's not too claustrophobic. They've really maximized this space here. And then over here, one thing that's a strong selling point in Thai condos is being able to separate the kitchen from the rest of the space. So they have this sliding door right here, you know, because Thai food can be very smelly. So you can just kind of ventilate it out here. And they also have a balcony with the washing machine outside. Now, considering this is a very small unit, to have a balcony is pretty rare. Actually quite a spacious balcony right here. And a pretty good view of the outside communal space. And the price of this 30 square meter one bedroom unit starts at around 5 million baht. But because, again, like I said, this is a direct developer sale and you're working with Volcom Global, we're gonna be able to give you an exclusive discount, like a much cheaper discount than 5 million. And if you're an investor, the rent you can expect for this one is around 22 to 24,000 Thai baht a month. And if you're interested in a 2-bedroom, that starts at around 8 million Thai baht. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of this condo. Again, if you're interested, make sure to use the link in my description to contact my agents. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and if you're interested in becoming a content creator and earning from content just like this, then make sure to check out my mentorship and my community down in the description as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.